In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional text. If you want certain cells to automatically stand out based on the words they contain. Conditional formatting is a quick and powerful way to do it. This is especially useful when you are working with long lists, tracking statuses, or reviewing notes and want specific text to be easier to spot at a glance. To get started, highlight the cells that contain the text you want to format. Make sure you select the exact range where you want the rule to apply, because the formatting will only affect the cells you choose. If you're working with a full column or a large section of your sheet, take a moment to confirm your selection before moving on. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Format. From the drop-down list, choose Conditional Formatting. As soon as you do that, a sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll create and customize the rule that controls how your text is formatted. In the sidebar, look for the section labeled Format Cells. Open that drop-down menu and choose the text condition that fits what you need. Some of the most common options include Text Contains, which is great when you want to match partial words or phrases. Text is Exactly, which looks for an exact match, and Text Starts With or Text Ends With, which are helpful when your text follows a consistent pattern. Choosing the right condition is important because it determines exactly when the formatting will appear. Once you've selected the condition, type the specific word or phrase you want to look for into the value or formula box. Be careful to enter the text exactly the way you want it detected. This is the part that tells the spreadsheet what content should trigger the formatting rule. After that, move down to the Formatting Style section. This is where you decide how the matching text should look. You can make the text bold, change the font color, or apply a fill background color to the cell. Choose a style that makes the text easy to notice without making your sheet look too crowded. Clear visual contrast usually works best. When everything looks right, click Done to apply the rule. Your selected cells will now automatically update whenever the specified text appears according to the condition you set. That's all it takes to create conditional text formatting and make your spreadsheet easier to read and manage. Thanks for watching.